Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to do another one of those things that I call a ride along. This is a fragrance I had for a while, but I don't know how well it works, how long it lasts. I've worn it a few times, but the fragrance is Banana Republic's. Uh, is that coming in? Black Walnut Legend. And this one is one of the fragrances that are kind of like a Creed kind of vibe to it, but it's not a strong one. It's a real good one to get into if you want to smell the DNA for cheap, because I think these are like $15 or something like that. But nevertheless, I am going to do a ride along, and let's start out with these sprays. Since I remember this not being such a strong fragrance, I'm gonna do my sprays a lot heavier this time. And of course, I'm moisturizing first. Get a couple of sprays there, a couple of sprays on the back. And then on my there, I don't know how many sprays I'm doing, but I know this fragrance does not last long. So let's get a couple behind the ear. Let's get the scent trail. And yeah, okay. That smells pretty good. That's a good little scent bubble I got going on. All right, so Black Walnut Legend. So let's go. Right along with me. Oh, before I leave, it is 8:02 a.m. and we're getting started. Let's go. What's up, folks? I am doing a check-in, and as you see, the I put the fragrance on like around 8 o'clock, maybe a couple minutes after 8. It is 9 minutes after 10. Now I can't smell it. Now I don't think I'm not sure if I'm going nose blind, but I don't smell it at all. I smell it slightly on this arm here. Slightly on the closed part, not on the skin. I don't smell it anywhere on the skin. It's only been 2 hours, guys. That's probably why I haven't worn this much. I'm gonna go ahead and rock out, and I'm not gonna refresh. I have the bottle here. I'm not gonna refresh, but I have to go out in a little bit, and I'm gonna see. Maybe it's because I'm in a confined space, and maybe I have gone nose blind to it. And once I get outside, I can smell a little bit better, or mingle with different people. I'll be able to smell it. But for right now, I don't smell anything except for this little spot here, and it's the late dry down smell that it is. It's like that birchy kind of smell, but on this side, it smells almost like the fabric softener that I use to dry my clothes with. So, like again, maybe I'm nose blind. So, I'll check back in a little bit when I'm out and about, moving around and getting some fresh air. So, all right, stay tuned. You see this face, man? I remember this fragrance not working that well, like not being super strong, but I don't remember it being this weak. It's 11:13. Again, I smell nothing. Slight, maybe slight, like maybe a slight wood kind of feeling on my hand. But again, I'm not sure if it's coming from the fragrance or if it's coming from the hand soap that I use. And if I dig my nose deep into this side of the sweatshirt, if I dig my nose deep into this side of the sweatshirt, I can smell that slight smokiness, also like slight woody kind of vibe. But then again, I'm not sure. It could be because of my car air freshener that I'm smelling. I'm gonna get out the car. I'm running around a little bit. So as I get out, because when I was outside, I smelled nothing. So I'm gonna see if I smell something when I get out again, and see where it is, see what it's doing. But for right now, it feels like this fragrance went dead after 2 hours. So this might be a short ride along, or maybe I'll refresh. I might refresh and see how long it lasts for the second time. But anyway, I'll do another check-in, and again, it is 11:15 right now. So, all right. So this could either be the shortest ride along, or I can extend it. And the thing is, it's a bug in here. Gotcha. There's a mosquito in here. The thing is, it is 12:13 now, and this fragrance is completely gone. I mean, I don't smell anything. Nothing. So, in a way, I guess this is a good thing, because if you want a fragrance that you want to wear part the day or half the day, and you want to have a different vibe or a different scent for the second part of the day, is good. Because I would say, really, after the first 2 hours, it was really, really close to the skin. I was thinking maybe I was going nose blind to it, and that I just couldn't pick it up. I wasn't detecting it. But no, I think it just faded that quick. So right now, if you see it in the store and it's extremely cheap, I would say, it may be an okay pickup, but it's not a fragrance I'm going to repurchase. I'm not going to repurchase this Banana Republic. Now, I do have a couple of Banana Republic fragrances that I like, that I will probably continue to repurchase. But this one, no. If I want something that's going to smell like that Aventus kind of style clone vibe of fragrance, I would probably go with the Club de Nuit, or something else I have. Oh, I have the EDT, and I have the limited edition. The limited edition is really, really, really good. So I will go with one of those. But for this I can't give it a fair rating. I can't say it's a good fragrance. It faded quick, man. I can't believe how fast it faded. But anyway, like I said, it is 12:16 right now. So I probably will give you another update. I'll either put another fragrance on, or I'll just go ahead and rock out to this fragrance and just carry it with me so I can continue to wear it. All right, I'm out. All right, folks. All right, so like I said before, fragrance is long gone. It's long gone. And now it is 1:51. So I guess in a way, this is a good fragrance to wear, for those times. For me, I was just a little bit disappointed because I was planning on using this as a ride along fragrance. So, with the ride along, we kind of ride along for the whole day and kind of take you through what the weather is and so on and so forth. I didn't even get a chance to do that because this died so quickly. So I think I'm going to go ahead and spray it on again. And this time I'm going to count how many sprays I wear. And like I said, it is 152. So let's see. There's 1, 2 there. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll spray it on my clothes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's 2, 4, 6 plus 7. So that's 13. Is that right? 13 sprays on one arm. Okay, let's go on this side and do the same thing. On the back, we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2 on the wrist, 1, 2 there, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's do 7 there. That's 7. So that's 13 sprays on that side. Now, this time I'm gonna put a couple on my chest since it's dying so quickly. I'm not gonna smoke myself out. So let's go 1, 2 on that side, 1, 2 on that side. Let's go 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 8. And then we'll go with the back. 1, 2. Okay. So now that's 8 plus the last 2, that's 10, plus each arm is this 13, this 13, 26, 26 plus 10 is 36 sprays. Now we're going to do this now. Instead of a ride along, we're doing a little testing now to actually see how long this fragrance is going to last and see if it's going to die pretty quickly. And checking in it one more time, 154. And the thing is, it's a good fragrance. It smells good. It smells like a kind of like a vintage type of vibe, but maybe it's not as high quality, obviously, but it kind of has that kind of vibe to it. Not as nice as Clipped in the Wit either. So, all right. So we are starting this again and doing another little test. All right, let's keep it going. All right, what's going on, folks? Got some different news. So I did spray the fragrance on like around 2 o'clock, and now it is 4:43, just almost 5 o'clock. So it's 3 hours, and this time I do still smell it. It's like a little small scent bubble around me, but it's definitely a lot better than what I sprayed earlier this morning. So I guess that means if you're going to wear this fragrance and you want it to last a little bit, you got to spray a lot of sprays. So I think I sprayed like 36 sprays that second go around. And like I said, it's a small scent bubble, but it's if someone comes into my space, they will be able to smell me. It's not a long scent trail that I'm getting coming off of my off myself, but it's still working for right now anyway. So yeah, still on my shirt. I think it's still it's not really coming off my skin right now. I don't know if you guys can see me because the sun is like right in my face. It's not really coming off my skin too much. It may be like a skin scent on my skin, but as far as my clothes, and I think because I sprayed it around my neck and on my chest of my sweatshirt, I can still smell it pretty good. All right, so I guess I'll rock out with it and let's see how long it's gonna last. All right, folks. All right, so this fragrance actually did redeem itself. Even though I had put, what was it, 36? I think it was 36 sprays I had to put on it, but it did redeem itself. It is now 7:17, and even though it's fading now, it's pretty much a skin scent, but it's only a skin scent on my clothes, not on my skin. Yeah, I don't smell anything anymore on my skin. It's just coming off my clothes right now. So I guess it did last a little bit better once I sprayed a lot of sprays, but Nevertheless, the top notes are black pepper, kumquat, and bergamot for the top notes. The mid notes are incense. What is this stuff? Incense, geranium, and cyclamen. Cyclamen. It's like a flower. And then the base notes are musk, black leather, skin, and patchouli. It's weird. It's weird note breakdown, but like I said, I really don't pick up any of those fragrances. Like I said, it smells like Aventus, and the process of it is kind of like Aventus too, except for the opening. Aventus has more of a pineapple, kind of a bright pineapple. This one doesn't have that bright pineapple. It has pineapple, but well, maybe it's not pineapple. It's not pineapple. It's the kumquat and the bergamot. So it gives off that freshness of like the pineapple, but it's muted with the pepper. The pepper is sitting on top of it, so it's where where Aventus is kind of bright in the opening, and you smell the spiciness in the background, almost like a cedarwood. This one is more of the spiciness that you smell in the beginning, and then you smell the freshness. I'm going a little bit too deep, but anyway, it smells similar to Aventus. If you see it in the stores, if it's really, really cheap, I would say, it could be a good pickup, but I probably wouldn't repurchase it because I have a couple of other fragrances that will actually help or scratch that need if I want to smell like Aventus. Or I have a couple of samples of Aventus also. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. I thank you for coming along with me on this ride along. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here hanging out with me doing this ride along and then another ride along to try to redeem this fragrance. All right. Till next time, it's your boy Will. Deuces.